Stuart Wilson's excavations at Trelleck. It's the 16th of August, Sunday. It's really humid. Pottery washing going on towards my right, and we're looking at the site and we're making a little bit of progress today. And what we are doing is finding an extension of a boundary wall associated with the aristocratic building and the more lowly class buildings at the site. And if we sort of move over, we can go over here. And what we are looking at is the gang excavating. This will come up a lot more clearer next time, so you can see an extension to the wall here running all the way through, and the thickness of the wall here as we start working through, and it extends all the way there. So we're getting the foundations of this wall running through, and these are coming up today. So we'll be here in 2 weeks' time. I believe that's the 30th of August. Anyone's welcome to join us. From Stuart Wilson's excavations at Trelleck, many thanks.